SaaStr is good for anyone in tech. Startup founders, those looking to grow their business and take their startup to the next level.
SaaStr is back.
I think we're on Zoom enough. Kind of a refreshing change to come out here, meet some people in person, just kind of get to know what the industry's up to.
Anybody who is a builder, a marketer, a salesperson, who wants to understand how the top minds in the ecosystem think and wants to get ahead of those trends.
This is the place where future visions are born.
AI with pre-AI, right? But in terms of looking for a new idea,
the market has also responded to the paradigm shift.
Electricity versus AI.
Public cloud markets are now rewarding efficiency and profitability over the growth at all cost model.
The energy is amazing. We're based on the East Coast, so to come out west and meet with, all these both young and old entrepreneurs, but everyone's sort of united by this common belief that there's so much room for innovation.
There's a whole grab bag of good advice and talks and companies to learn from. Metrics, best practices, how to run a company, how to scale a company.
They're expecting somewhere between 12 and 15,000 attendees, so just the sheer magnitude of it's different.
I'm actually most excited to be here and just walk around and absorb the energy.
I like how they do a festival-style conference.
Events are definitely not going away, and I think a lot of people thought they were.
There's no other conference like it that brings both those folks at different stages together.